You are visiting Chania, and breakfast without hot, cheesy, mouth-watering Bougatsa is crime. A substantial part of Greek heritage is made from the traditions that the culinary culture of the country has passed down from one generation to the next. One such culinary landmark is flavor of Bougatsa. To make Bougatsa, only need 5 ingredients: flour, water, olive oil, mizitra, and salt. Sugar and cinnamon is only added before serving it by choice. The milk for mizitra cheese is traditionally a combination of sheep and goat, which made in Chania. The olive oil and flour they use also come from Chania. They only use handmade phyllo pastry produced by themselves. You can try it. You will not be disappointed. It is with sweet sugar, and it is without sugar. Huh? It is. Okay. We are waiting for coffee actually. Not cafe, cafe is French. It will be coffee. Yeah. Chania market is said to be the best indoor market in Europe. One of the landmarks of Chania town is the centrally located cross-shaped Agora. This is a busy indoor market selling lots of traditional products such as local Cretan cheese, honey, herbs, nuts, dried fruits, spices, bread, souvenir, fresh fish. Fresh fish you'll find morning time only, meat, and wonderful fresh fruit and vegetables. And luckily I found them during their practice session for dance festival of Chania.